Hi everyone, Chef Marisa Canzaro here. Today I'm going to be preparing for you Zuppa di Pesce con Salsa Marinara, which is mixed seafood and red sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Marinara sauce, linguine, lobster, clams, mussel, swordfish, calamari, shrimps, scallops, garlic, oregano, black pepper, crushed red pepper, olive oil, basil and parsley, and white wine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to plate this for one person. Normally, the Italian family, they like to have their own dish. This is our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. Buon appetit e buon Natale.